This video is gonna be reaction and discussion of Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill, episode 1. Titles are great. Now, the reaction is going to commence. More specifically anime titles, obviously. Really is great. Yeah? Campfire, yeah, there it is. Huh? Oh! Heroes. Okay. What? Holy Sword Hilda? Yeah? Yeah, obviously. Online grocery? Is it? Unique. Okay. Wait. Yeah. But they don't know what's online grocery. Wow. Huh. Wait. Are these guys actually part of the cast? Yeah. Okay. So what? I don't know. Indeed. You obviously you would look suspicious. Wow, he wasted all of the money. Indeed. Wow. What an amazing skill. Oh. Oh my. Indeed. Oh, it switched. Okay. 8 iron, 1 copper. Okay. Should you put your coins? Oh. Oh, cool. I mean, that's a skill that's very useful, I suppose. Huh. It is very useful. Sad that it's only from a grocery store. Indeed. Oh, you can learn a lot of money. Probably. Okay. Oh wow, that's a... just a normal horse with horns, okay. Oh. Oh. Indeed. Cool, cool, cool. Oh wow. Sure. True. Oh. Yeah. Intriguing. Well, he's very good at gathering information, I suppose. Huh. Well, we'll see. They said unique skills, so I'm certain you can learn skills. Yep. 7. I mean, makes sense. Yep. Okay. Iron Will. God. Very beautiful. Wow, the names. Indeed. Okay. Okay. Very straightforward. Isn't this suspicious though? Yep. Magic stove. You did? Do you know what's a stove? I mean, I know it doesn't matter. No. Huh. Huh. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, his skill is broken. He can be a billionaire. Yep. They love it. Yep. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Indeed. Huh. Cool. Monster fight. Yep. Okay. I'm intrigued. I am also kind of trapped by the light. I can't see if I move too much. That's why I'm kind of standing still. Also, I'm kind of sick. Just want to mention that. But this is a fun way to set the show. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, sure. Yep. Yep. Indeed. Bacon. Okay, I actually can cook. I thought it was only because of the skill. Cool. God, I'm kind of hungry. Nice. And they're gonna die from pleasure again. Food wars all over again. Nope, they do. Yep. Okay. Certain it is. Maybe it is. Maybe that's actually part of the skill. Cooking magic. Indeed. Please have magical properties. It buffs them. Good question. Yeah. Love that. Yes. That's why you should always look at your otherworldly skills. Okay, the creature is stalking him. Okay. Cool. I wonder why this is even better. Wow, the animation for cutting meat. I'm actually kind of hungry. Guess so? Cool. Ginger parrot, red boar. Yeah. Yep. Figured. It boosts their stats again, doesn't it? Somehow. Huh. God. Yeah. Nice. Sandwich. Yep. Eating it with bread as well. Indeed. This creature being suspicious. Is it poisonous? Hint? Huh? I'm listening. Fenrir. Okay. Huh. Are you gonna tell it? Yeah? Okay. Wow. Okay. Huh. I mean, this can go forever. Huh. We're gonna run out of resources. Yeah. Yeah. Oh? Yeah? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. Interesting. Cool. Looks pretty cool. Nicely overpowered, as all main characters should be. Oh wow. Wow. Huh? Huh? Oh wow. 10,000 yen. Okay. Okay. Wow. Indeed. Okay, that's actually very important information I'm not gonna remember. This is great. It's absolutely delightful. I loved every second of it. Kinda wanna go ahead and have a lunch. Yeah, I'm gonna have lunch. Straight up after this video is over, and that's the first thing I'm doing. I love the character. Love the power. Love the comedy. We'll see whether we're gonna be getting any action. Seems like there's some setup here. I don't think this will be super bloody and serious show, but hey. It's not gonna be a first time a show that starts comedically turns into something else. Or maybe it's just gonna be comedy. I have no idea. But I love summoners. I love them. And sadly, the two summoner shows that came out not so long ago, I believe it came out last summer. Point is, they didn't take off, which is sad. I want a summoner show that has the main character. His main power is summoning, or just want to confirm, summoning, monster taming, familiar contracts like this. I don't care which one, just any sort of that sphere of power. Just using your creatures, using other creatures to fight. I really want a show like that. Seems like this is where things are going with this one. Then again, maybe it's just gonna be the wolf. But I have no idea. Regardless though, it was super enjoyable, and if I was not too hungry and I wouldn't have went and eaten right this second, I will talk more about it. But I'm also gonna be watching the next episode pretty soon. And by soon I mean probably right after I eat. But for now, it was great. I'm really looking forward to the next episode. There's a video, you can subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.